I'm super excited to have you join me today. This is a really fun thing that I'm getting to do today. Many of you are familiar with Country Craft Creations, Tamra Merrill, who is just an awesome, awesome creator. She also has the online store Country Craft Creations, and I will put the link below so you can find her. Well, she just had a dream come true, and there's nothing I like in this life better than dreams that come true. When God puts something into your heart and then it comes to life, it's like one of the most exciting, magical moments of all. So for ages, Tamra has wanted to create her own paper design company, and she did it. And she did it during COVID-19. She did it during the pandemic. That makes it extra special to me. And I cannot wait to show you these papers. She has sent these to me to work up a sample, which I will be doing and sharing with you here. The collection is called Country Bunny. And folks, I have to tell you, I've seen a lot of paper and I've worked with a lot of paper. I've been doing this for a long time now. This is one of the most gorgeous paper collections I have ever seen. Look at this. This is 12 by 12 paper. It is printed on what is called cotton vellum. So it has almost, the only word I can think of to describe it is whipped cream. It feels like whipped cream on this paper. It is so smooth. It has a beautiful matte finish, so it's not shiny, and it's just gorgeous. Look at these sweet images. Holy cow. And you get 2 sheets of each. This beautiful background pairs up with these fussy cuts. And because Tamra is a paper crafter, this is the beauty of it. She knows what we want. She knows what speaks to our creativity. She knows what will ignite us and get us excited. And she's built all of that into this collection. Little sweet little 2 by 2, 3 by 3 squares and these gorgeous fussy cut butterflies pair up with this distressed background. And then look at this. I mean, instant scrapbooking page, just add photo. I mean, it's amazing. But I'm a card maker, so I have other ideas for this. I'm so excited to dig in. And this pairs up with this beautiful leaf and branch distressed. I mean, the detail in this, I hope the camera is picking it up. The detail in the layers is amazing. And Tamra says she just closes her eyes and imagines. And then this is what comes up. That's creativity, guys. And I mean, look at these gorgeous florals, more of these darling little bunnies. I mean, this is just precious. This beautiful, beautiful script. And then this is the companion page for that. It is, I mean, it's just cotton balls. I mean, just stunning. Look at this, these little outfits and these little geese. So beautiful. This wonderful distressed background. I'm itching to get into this. I am just itching. Look at this gorgeous cascade and then faded. The same thing but faded out. Beautiful, beautiful. This little bunny in basket. Look at all just the detail in this. And then, hello, he's my favorite, or she. So cute. And then, I mean, just instant cards, instant album pages, instant folio pages. I cannot wait for home decor. You just couldn't find anything any cuter. So Tamra is packaging this as a kit with these beautiful heavyweight cardstock pages. I don't know if you can see, this has a little raised dot, almost like Swiss dots. So this beautiful creamy yellow, this wonderful white pearlized linen, gorgeous robin's egg blue, beige, brown, and this really beautiful sagey green. So that will be in the kit along with these wonderful little sade and crystals. And then look at the trims and how she packages them. I mean, breathtaking. And everything is so perfectly color matched. It's just super gorgeous. And then some flowers that go with. So this is one of the most exciting things I've seen in a long time. Like I said, I love it when dreams come true, and I love it when somebody who works as hard and is as Tamra just gives away so many wonderful tutorials. If you don't follow her, you need to. She is such a generous soul. She's such a good person. And I'll put her link below. You need to follow her. She's amazing. So I will be back to show you what I create with all these pretties. I can't wait to get started. Okay, I'm back. I had to make myself stop playing with this collection. I just had the best time. So I made this sweet little home decor box filled with 3 little made from scratch mini albums. And I'll just take these out so you can see them. They're so cute. And I went with a real spring theme. Since this is such springy paper, here's a peek inside the box with that gorgeous, gorgeous lace. This beautiful trim from the collection. I added some box feet from my stash and covered the inside. I'll show you the rest of it in a minute. I want to start with these little books. So the books, I can't remember. I think they're 3 3/4 by, yeah, they're 3 3/4 by almost 6. Each of these has sort of a theme. This one is like bunnies and butterflies. And on the cover, I've used this beautiful satin frog trim with some of the little crystals, the Prima flowers from the collection, a little resin bunny from my stash, and a little birdie frame. And then on the spine, I've added this metal keyhole, some buttons from my stash, a little bow, and a little flower. And here's the back. So this one has a wrapped spine. And then inside, just simple pages. Here's a little slash pocket so you can tuck a little something, something in there. And a little room for photos. And here's the butterflies that I was talking about. Just fussy cut. And here's this little bonnet buddy. It's so cute. Over here, a little fussy cut hat with room for a little photo up here. And then here you could do another little photo and you could journal on this page. A little pull-out photo mount in the pocket. And then I added a little flap page here. These bunnies are just too cute. They kill me. This is my favorite one. And look at, I just want you to notice the gorgeous detailing in the background. This paper collection is so beautiful. I literally had to make myself stop. Then here's just fussy cut butterflies that I doubled up on each other. And this folds out, and there's this one's buddy over here hiding. And then this page turns, and this is actually a Graphic 45 Staples envelope that I cut down. So you've got a little tuck spot in here for photos. And I left the back side of it plain. I think it's fine that way. And then here's the part I cut off that I turned into a pocket with a little bookmark or a little journaling card, whatever. So then this fits in the box. And then this next one, this one is so sweet. Look at the little fussy cut dress, the beautiful, beautiful Venice lace here, cluster of leaves and flowers. This is a resin nest that I had in my stash, and I just put it on top of a bunch of balled up string to kind of add that textural element. Another keyhole on the back with another button from my stash and bow and flower. And here's the back. This one also has a wrapped spine. And then on the inside, here's our little bunny guy right at the front and a flip out page. And then this is a little sidecar pocket with a tag and a little tiny photo mount that can be used for journaling or whatever. So super sweet. Then over here, I've got another flip out page. You can get a pretty good size photo in here. Fussy cut butterfly. And then in here, oh yeah, I forgot this. This is a pop-up. I forgot I did this. See, this is a flip. This flips like this, and then it lifts like this. I forgot I'd done this. So I fussy cut this little basket and made a little pop-up there. So that's kind of sweet. And then this is just a double page here. And then this page turns and we take the clip off, and I've got a really fun pull out. So you get this whole scene of the bunnies here. So sweet. So, so sweet. And then this just folds back. You know, I call these lap books because the paper is so pretty. You can just hold it in your lap and look at the pictures. So then this is another little mini pull out here. You could do hidden journaling on the back, and then it slips under this paper clip to hold it in place. And then this page is just a full page. Here is a little pocket with a little photo mat, and then a photo mat in this pocket. And then we've got another pocket here with another little photo mat. And here's this, and then at the back, I did one of these waterfalls. So this one can really hold quite a lot in the way of photos. This one's got a lot of room. Yeah, so here's another photo mat here. I knew I had two. So that's this one with the sweet little spring eggs and nest. And then this third one is all about the bunnies. The bunnies, cute little bunny here that I fussy cut from the paper collection. I added some vines from the flowers, and then the Prima flowers here, a third door plate and a shell button and a little bow treatment up here. Here's a look at the back. I just left it because it's got this beautiful raised dot cardstock, and I didn't feel like it was necessary to cover it. And then this one is a double pull out. So I just created 2 accordion fold pullouts. You can get 10 pictures in each of these pullouts. So this one really has a lot of room. And then here is a little pocket with a little mini accordion. And this is just part of the paper collection. All I did was cut it and fold it. And that one fits in there. And then this one, so cute. This one's all bunnies. So here's all the bunnies inside. Same little pull out, but this time I put the bunny on the top. And you can see you've got room for photos and journaling on the back, which is really fun. And then on this side, more bunnies and butterflies. So those are the little books. Then on the back, because what I did, I got this tip from Ginger Rop where you just use chipboard to strengthen the lid so that it doesn't fold. And I created a box pocket. I'm hoping you can see this on the back. And I decorated the pocket up with some fussy cuts. And then fussy cut the little dress and the little bunny and some butterflies up here. And then I made this adorable little folio to go in there. So clearly I was having fun. I couldn't stop. And this has room for lots of photos. There's little tuck spots. There's the tags in here. This is where I put all the tags that come with the Graphic 45 Ivory box. So you can get lots of photos on there. Sweet little charms tied at the top. This one says, "I love you to the moon and back." And this is a little purse and a little hanger. I thought it went really well with this little Shabby Chic collection. This tag fits here. And then 2 more little pull-out photo mat, journal spots, whatever, room here. And then this folds out like this. And you've got 3 more panels in here with another little tag. So that, I'm telling you guys, this was so fun. I just didn't want to stop playing, so I didn't. And see, this sits right here in this little pocket on the back. So this is kind of fun. If you put it out for display, you can turn it one way, turn it the other way. It's pretty versatile. I'm really thrilled with the way this turned out. And these papers, I have to say, they score beautifully. So I had the papers out, my mojo was still flowing, so I went ahead and made this 6x6 easel card, and I'll close it down so you can see the front. Here I just fussy cut the basket. This is a Rene Bouquet's beautiful board that I treated with Wow Vintage Champagne embossing powder, and I don't know if you can pick up that little bit of gold glitter that's in there. A metal dragonfly charm, 3 buttons from my stash, and then a whole bunch of these beautiful little birdie flowers. And then I just fussy cut this little butterfly and glued it over the butterfly that was on the paper just to add a little more dimension. And then this is a little piece left over from, and it stands like this for display, just so you can see, but it's hard to see that on camera. So it flips open like this, and I made this little pocket for a chocolate here. That's where that little half circle came on the front. And then down here, the pocket is actually the stopper. And I wrapped up a little tea bag in a scrap, and I made a little note card with a scrap. So this would make a really, really beautiful Mother's Day gift, I think. It's just so shabby chic and pretty for Easter, springtime, but I wanted to show that you don't have to do the little dress-up clothes or the bunnies. You can just take this in a very elegant home decor direction by just using the florals. The florals in this collection are stunning. So that is what I made with Tamra's Country Bunny. Congratulations, Tamra. I love this paper. I love the texture. I love how beautifully it cuts. I love how beautifully it creases. It's really elegant. Well done, girly. I'm really proud of you. So thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed, I will put the link to Country Craft Creations down below so that you can find it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so that other crafters can find it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you along for the journey. I share lots and lots of free tutorials here. All right, guys, go get your craft on. Bye.